Welcome to Travel Vault. In this video, we've compiled a list of 10 Las Vegas attractions you can't miss. Keep watching until the very end, because we've got a special surprise and treat in store for you at the finish. Please, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications, then share your own travel experiences in the comments section below. Here are our picks of 10 Las Vegas attractions you can't miss. Renowned around the world for its glitzy casinos, luxury-themed resorts, and endless entertainment options, Las Vegas really is like no other place on Earth. Set amidst the arid and desolate confines of the Mojave Desert, the alluring sights, sounds and shows of Sin City lie in the south of Nevada, not far from lots of incredible scenery and landscapes. While there is certainly more to the city than just its strip, most of the main tourist attractions in Las Vegas, massive hotels, and iconic landmarks lie along its busy boulevard. Here you can find not only the humongous high roller but celebrity chef-run restaurants and casinos putting on unforgettable Cirque du Soleil shows and music concerts. With so many things to do all day and all night, Las Vegas certainly makes for a memorable holiday destination. Number 1. Hoover Dam. Straddling the border between Nevada and Arizona, the humongous Hoover Dam certainly makes for a striking sight. Once the largest dam in the world, it lies just 45 minutes to the east of the city right next to Lake Mead and all its amazing recreation opportunities. Built in 1935, the massive dam towers to over 200 meters in height, and is set in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. Besides basking in its scenic setting and enjoying fine views from atop of it, visitors can also take tours around the dam to learn about its history, how it works and the impact it had on Las Vegas. Number 9. Paris, Las Vegas. Great views of Las Vegas await travelers who partake of the Eiffel Tower experience at Paris, Las Vegas. This half-scale replica of the real thing reaches 46 stories into the sky, ensuring it is a Vegas landmark. Once at the observation deck, visitors are treated to 360-degree views of Las Vegas. On a clear day, one can clearly see forever. The views are particularly stunning at night when the city that never sleeps is lit up like a Christmas tree. Number 8. Mob Museum. Want to relive the days when the mob ruled not only Las Vegas, but the rest of the United States? The Mob Museum in downtown Las Vegas offers the opportunity to learn more about the mob and organized crime in this country. This non-profit museum explores organized crime from its beginnings to today through exhibits and interactive activities. Learn about mobsters and G-men, malls and speakeasies, bootleggers and casino skimmers, and present-day mob activities. Oh, this $42 million museum was financed by government funds, not the mob. Number 7. The Venetian, Las Vegas. Venice, Italy, is famous for its canals and singing gondoliers, but travelers won't need a passport to ride the Grand Canal at the Venetian Casino Resort in Nevada's largest city. The Venetian named their premier shopping mall the Grand Canal, then built a canal through it. Gondolas, complete with costumed singing gondoliers, guide their craft under bridges and balconies, and past shops with exterior decor that mimics the real thing. Couples can share a kiss under the Rialto Bridge or any of the other bridges, for that matter. Here's to smooth sailing. Number 6. Fremont Street Experience. The Fremont Street Experience is an attraction no visitor to Las Vegas should miss. Located on a 5-block section of Fremont Street, known as Glitter Gulch in the city's early years, the Fremont Street Experience is a top-notch sound and light show that will wow the senses. Colorful displays of lights and loud music take place several times a night under a 90-foot high canopy. Casinos and other businesses turn off their lights, a signal that a light show is about to begin. More than 12 million LED lights streak through the pedestrian mall located in the historic section of Las Vegas. The show can only be described as totally awesome. Number 5. The Mirage. Located on the Strip, the Mirage is a Polynesian-themed casino and hotel with 3,044 rooms. The volcano at the Mirage Casino may be the world's only volcano that doesn't stink when it erupts. This volcano, which erupts nightly from 8 p.m. to midnight, spews out a pina colada scent. This faux volcano also erupts to a soundtrack of actual volcanoes erupting. The Mirage is full of other attractions, including a huge aquarium located behind the hotel's front desk. The aquarium is home to 450 fish that swim around an artificial coral reef. Suited-up divers clean the tank several times weekly in the early morning, providing another unique sight to see. Number 4. Caesar's Palace. A larger-than-life resort, Caesar's Palace was dreamed up and built Jay Sarno, who worked hard building motels in the 1950s. His love for gambling led him to Las Vegas, where he envisioned a casino much more glamorous than what the Strip had been offering. And so Caesar's Palace opened in 1966 at a cost of $24 million, and was unlike anything Las Vegas had seen. With fountains and pools and employees in Roman-themed uniforms, it was an immediate hit, and set the standard for the themed hotels that are so common in Sin City today. The casino has made an appearance in several Hollywood movies since it opened its doors, including the Academy Award-winning film Rain Man and the 2009 hit comedy The Hangover. Number 3. Stratosphere Tower. Major Vegas hotels center around themes or special gimmicks to draw visitors. The Stratosphere Hotel is no exception. It is home to the Stratosphere Tower, which, at 1,149 feet, 350 meters, high, is the tallest freestanding tower in the United States. The observation deck is the place to go for spectacular 360-degree views of the city and surrounding terrain. Since the tower is open until 1 a.m. on weekdays and 2 a.m. on weekends, it's a good place to see Las Vegas at its glittering best. One of the most visited attractions in Las Vegas, the tower will appeal to daredevils and thrill seekers too who, for a fee, can sky jump off the tower at 855 feet, 261 meters. Number 2. Bellagio. Travelers can hit a daily double when visiting the Bellagio Casino, famous for its dancing fountains, and conservatory and botanical gardens. The garden has so many plants, it takes 140 horticulturists to maintain it as well as plan holiday-themed displays. Experts also answer visitors' gardening questions daily in the conservatory. As impressive as the gardens are, the fountains are even more awesome. They explode in a fusion of light and music, ranging from opera to Broadway tunes, frequently throughout the day and night. It's hard to argue with Bellagio when it refers to this show as the most ambitious, choreographically complex water feature ever conceived. Number 1. The Strip. Casinos can be found throughout Las Vegas, but the Strip, a stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard South, contains the most of them. It features giant mega-casino hotels, decorated with lavish care and attention to detail to create a fantasy-like atmosphere. The casinos often have names and themes that evoke romance, mystery, and faraway destination. Walking along the Strip is a fun and reasonable option as the casinos are close to each other. In most cases, hotels are connected to each other either by bridge or underground, or in the case of the Excalibur, Luxor, and Mandalay Bay, by a complimentary rail shuttle. Be aware that during the summer, the oppressive heat during the daylight hours may make walking a very uncomfortable activity. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.